Since its emergence on the international scene in 1997, women's cricket in Pakistan has experienced a shift. Once viewed as a mere hobby, these players have grown into widely respected professional athletes.
I think it has been a very slow, at times quite painful, and at times quite joyful experience. It has been a mix of a lot of emotions, a lot of things that we have felt throughout our careers. But I think overall it's very encouraging because now women cricketers have become role models for a lot of females out there. It's a sport, it's the #1 female sport in Pakistan.
Sana Mir is the first Pakistani female cricketer who is part of a select group of 7 international women cricketers who have achieved the double feat of 1,000 runs and 100 wickets in ODI cricket. She also led her team to win successive gold medals at the Asian Games in both 2010 and 2014.
This is something we have achieved together as a team, and I think when we started off, not many people took us seriously. They thought that why are they wasting their time in cricket and what's their future in cricket. But now people come, they want to enroll their daughters into cricket and they want their daughters to represent Pakistan.
Ranking at number 4 on the ICC's list of top 5 ODI bowlers, Sana Mir recently gave up the captaincy of the team to make way for left-handed batswoman Bisma Maroof.
हम लोग ने परफॉर्मेंस जो अपनी इम्प्रूव किया उसकी वजह से भी हम लोग को रिकग्निशन मिली है। मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा कोशिश हम लोग की ये कि स्टिल अपनी जो परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं उसको इम्प्रूव करते हैं ताकि मज़ीद जो एक हम मेंस और वुमेन का एक है कि हम लोग स्टैंडर्ड पे मीट नहीं करते, उसको हम मज़ीद उसको क्लोज लेते हैं।
The Pakistan women's cricket team is known to play their heart out and the impact is visible. Today, aspirants of the national and departmental teams come from the country's urban centres, its expansive rural belt, as well as cities like Quetta and Gilgit, where women traditionally haven't had the lead.
वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल थी उसके पीछे। भाई बस काफ़ी वाले मना करते थे, अब खुद पूछते हैं कब जा रही हो तुम कैंप के लिए, कब तुम्हारा नेक्स्ट टूर आ रहा है, तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें चेंज हो गई हैं।
I think that they're doing a fantastic job on behalf of Pakistan country. They're fabulous ambassadors to the country, and each time we go we understand that it's a legacy for young girls to follow in their footsteps. So it's very, very important that we put them out in front as much as we can with our sport of cricket, but also it's important to other females making their way in Pakistan to feel that they're comfortable in representing whatever they do in life.
In undoing stereotypes and leading from the front, these cricketers have paved the way by example.
If your national identity comes first, it's very important to keep your personal preferences and personal interest at the back. So we have tried our best to represent Pakistan, be the Pakistanis that all Pakistanis can embrace, that all Pakistanis can relate to.